If you're a DIY creator and you have less than 1,000 subs on your YouTube channel, then I invite you to join my Small Creator Sunday Challenge. This is a challenge that I host every month, and it's specifically for those of us on YouTube who are under 1,000 subs, so we can promote each other and help each other grow our channels. This month's theme is reduce, reuse, recycle. So that means you take things that you would normally probably throw in the trash and turn them into something that can be useful. I'm joined this month by Devin of Freckled Mom, who she herself just hit 1,000 subscribers. So let's give her a big congratulations and a warm welcome joining me this month. The rules are really easy. Just make sure you're subscribed to my channel, subscribe to Devin's channel. When you're in your video, mention that you're part of this challenge, and make sure you leave our links and the link to the playlist in your description box. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can still participate over on Instagram. Just make sure that you're following myself and Devin, and use the hashtag SmallCreatorsSunday when you make your post. The playlist will go live on May 16th at noon Central Standard Time. I hope to see y'all there.